Understanding, brought home to me, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase that often puzzles learners, brought home to me. This idiom is rich in meaning and usage, and understanding it can significantly enhance your English comprehension. So, let's dive in and unravel its secrets together. At its core, brought home to me is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone fully understands or realizes the importance, significance, or impact of something on a very personal level. It's like saying that an abstract concept or distant idea has been made very real and understandable to someone. This phrase likely originates from the literal idea of bringing something home, making it part of one's personal and intimate space. Over time, it evolved to convey the notion of making an idea or issue feel close and personal, as if it's right there in your living space where you can't ignore it. In terms of usage, brought home to me can be applied in various contexts, such as learning lessons from life experiences, understanding complex concepts through relatable examples, or feeling the impact of events that seemed distant or unrelated to one's personal life. 1. The documentary on climate change really brought home to me the urgency of taking action to protect our planet. 2. Losing my job last year brought home to me the importance of having savings for unexpected situations. 3. Talking to the victims of the flood brought home to me the real human cost of natural disasters. These examples showcase how the phrase can be used to express a deepened understanding or emotional realization brought about by various experiences or pieces of information. Incorporating idiomatic expressions like brought home to me into your spoken and written English can make your language richer and more nuanced. To use this phrase effectively, think of situations where you've had a significant realization or learned something in a way that deeply affected you. Using it in your conversations or writing will help convey your experiences in a relatable and impactful manner. We hope this exploration of brought home to me has made the meaning and usage of this phrase clear and accessible. Idiomatic expressions like this are key to understanding the nuances of English and expressing yourself more vividly. Remember, learning is a journey, and every new phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you continue your English learning adventure in our next video.